Hey, how's it going, everybody? Sarasota Tim coming to you from the Tiki hut over here in Boynton Beach. Look at this fire we got. It is breezy and chilly tonight, and this is a welcome warm fire. It is blazing. Feels so good. This is perfect weather for a fire. Over there in the Tiki hut, we've got Ted and Tom, his friend from New York, and Jolene's over there. We got the TV on watching some Westerns, and Miss Jolene is making some split pea soup with ham for dinner. She went shopping today and bought a bunch of stuff, so lots of good meals on the horizon. But man, this fire, look at that thing, really feels so good out here. It's got to be, I don't know, 60, but the breeze, you know, it's you see the palm fronds blowing, so it's a little chilly. But the fire makes it nice. And the Tiki hut feels good in here. We got the flowers from Miss Jolene that somebody wanted me to get for her.
Yep.
She likes them a lot. There's her soup. This is Tom here. He's showing pictures.
Hey, how's everybody
Teddy.
doing? Hey.
Anyway, we're just going to have a good time tonight and have some dinner and sit around this fire, watch some more TV programs. I'm just nursing my eye. My home is right over there in that little white trailer. That's my home. It's all cool inside. Got the crusher over here. Look at this breeze we got going on. Look at these palm fronds blowing. Paradise here though, folks. Wish you were here. We're crushing it.